Hey, look at Jax in the water. Wow. He's a little fishy.
Where? Where's the little fish?
He is.
Breathing heavy.
Is it cold?
Cold. Pesky felon.
Oh no. That's not good. The water's too take away his breath.
Why do you want to go to the rocks?
Pick him up and go past the rocks.
There's rocks all the way down, isn't there?
Oh, there are? I don't know. I've never been in the water here. Do they hurt your feet?
No, not really.
No, well then it's okay then.
On the sand. That's for sure. You want us over here?
I'm gonna cut in front of you, Nicole. Sorry.
Want to go see the rope again?
Whoa, what's that, Jax? What's that? What is that? Huh?
Mom, you want to hold him?
Sure.
I gotta go back to pee. Really bad.
See, we're on camera.
Huh?
We're on camera.
It's alright.
Here, Nicole, you want to keep videotaping? Just have to hold it, so.
Whose phone is that?
Julie. It's cold, baby. It's cold. His little skin's gonna be cold now.
Let's dry him off. Who's a good towel?
We have towels, Steve. In the car. It'll be nice and warm. Up. Ooh. He's a big boy. He's a big boy. Where's Mommy? Where's Mommy? Huh?
Go get your shovel, Jax.
Jump for it.
If you want to stop it, Nicole, all you do is just push that record button.
Oh, okay.
Oh, what's that, Jack? Is that a ball?
Yeah, what did she say? I'm looking at Sam, Brian.
Don't put it in your mouth, though. It's got all sorts. I'm bad at it, too. That's why I don't